Hi guys, Luca here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna present you my 2015 Land Rover Defender Adventure. It's a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine, 122 horsepower and 350 Newton meter on torque. I'm going to do a short walk around. I'm gonna show you the mods they've done to the vehicle and explain you what are my plans for this Defender. The main issue they have right now is rust. It's only 5 years old and it's already rusting almost everywhere. In my opinion, it is a shame that Land Rover sells a car with like a Defender that is meant to go off-road, is used to you're gonna use it for traveling in snow, in winter, in summer, everywhere, and there is no rust protection at all. Secondly, my intention is to upgrade the suspension. I'm gonna do a 2-inch lift. I want to change the front bumper and add a winch, and there are in the future many other mods that I'm gonna to do, but let's start with a walk around and the issue from the rust. Stay with me. So starting from the front, this is a military spec front grille. It's completely made on steel, quite robust, but the issue is it's already rusting. Also this one, I really like it, very robust, but I have to work on it as well. The front bumper is still original. I have mounted some floodlights, some Hella Luminator compact headlights. They have also daylights mounted inside. And this hook is from MAMMOUTH, a German company. It's quite solid if you need to pull someone out. The light guards are from Equipe 4x4 and I kinda like them, so I will say it was a good purchase. Checker plates on the front wings, original Land Rover snorkel, and here the rims, they are DOTZ DAKAR 7/16 inches. The drive flange are ASHCROFT, and also these need some repainting because they are already quite rusted. I've mounted a front runner roof rack. It's quite solid aluminium, but I need to do some changes because there are things there I don't like them so much. On this side you see the fuel cap is different than the original because I've mounted an EX-TEC 45-liter diesel tank, so in totally I should have now 105 liter approximately. I have around 900 kilometers of range. The spare wheel carrier is at the moment still the original one, and here I have an EX-TEC leather for the roof. EX-TEC is a German company. They do quite nice stuff for the fender. I've fitted a rear camera, a GARMIN. It works quite well. The quality of the image is not perfect, but I think it's good enough. The rear bumper is an original Land Rover bumper, and I fitted also let's say a hook if I need to pull someone out. Continuing on this side, there is a box. It's quite nice. Also, this is from EX-TEC, waterproof, and there's quite enough space for some accessories and gear. From Nakata, a German company, this grill to get some fresh air in the car. There are wind deflectors, and on this side I have a flex antenna. Also, this one is from Nakata, antenna mount for the CB and a zero antenna. This, like I said, is really short walk around. I'm not doing the interior for now. I've done some mods, but I'm gonna explain them in another video. Let's talk now about underneath. I have mounted an EX-TEC diff guard and also EX-TEC track rod protection, diff guard in the front and in the rear. They are quite good, solid aluminum, I think about 4 or 5 millimeters. You're gonna lose a little bit of clearance, but at least your differential is protected. And I have also a plate for underneath, but as you can see at the moment is not mounted. For the steering guard protection, I've mounted an OMA steering guard, but at the moment also is not on it. Like you see, the Adventure, normally they have some side protection in aluminum. They look nice, they look good, but they're useless. They're just for looks. They were rusting everywhere, and they catch mud whenever you go off-road, so I decided that I remove them and mount some rock sliders in the future. Now the biggest issue that I have right now with this vehicle is rust. Look at this. This car is starting rusting everywhere. I don't think this is possible that a car after 5 years is rusting like this one is doing. I believe the last Defenders, they were just sold without doing anything about rust. I started to try to save it, just the chassis. I have painted a part of it, but soon I realized I need to take everything down and do the job properly. So my intention now is to take down the axle. I start in the rear axle, the tank, and everything else, so that I have a proper chassis that I can work on it. I washed it about 3 hours with a hot high pressure washer, and so now in the next weeks, months, I'm gonna to do it. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will do my best to do some nice other videos about the rebuild, the restoration. Also, if it's only 5 years old, I'm gonna call it restoration of this Defender. Thanks for watching and see you soon.